In front of me is HONOR X7c, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down to hit accessibility features. Then click on one-handed mode and use gray switcher next to one-handed mode to activate it. Then, if you are using Tricky's navigation, slide your finger across the bottom of the screen. If you are using gestures, do exactly the same, just after sliding, hold for a second. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, click on black area. If you want to change placement of your screen, just swipe in an opposite direction. Go back the same way. If you want to disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!